Alright guys, I know it's been a while. I've just been busy doing stuff and haven't picked the camera up to get some film or get some video for you guys. I apologize for that, but I got the TH400 mostly together. I got the stack all in it. Bell housings bolted in it. It's a 6-bolt pump, so two bolts won't be in there. This is a 6-bolt case. I don't know if I ever told in the previous videos or not, but I bought the TH400 to mod motor bell housing. I bought this used. New, they're about 500 bucks. I got this one for 150 bucks because it had a crack right here. I think the guy that originally had it, his flex plate came loose and it fucked up and cracked the bell housing. But I got this welded for 50 bucks. A guy welded it up for me, nice. You know, he ground out the crack and did this nice weld. He did a good job on it. So, show you on the inside. Nice weld. 50 bucks, so I got 200 bucks into this, and it's good as new. So, saved quite a bit of money there. Right now, I'm at the point of, here's the hipster TH400 reverse manual valve body with the trans brake. Right now I am flattening this servo cover. You got to make sure the sealing surface right here is perfectly flat. Okay, I put some Dykem on it around there, and I got some 320 grit sandpaper on a flat surface, sitting it down on there like that, and just going back and forth with it to make sure I got that surface flat. So I'll go ahead and finish this up, and we'll get this put on there. That looks pretty good. All the Dykem's got worn off. I got a little tiny bit in this corner here, right there. I'm gonna get that, and then we'll get it cleaned up, get it put on. Alright, so I got it cleaned up. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here. Oops, sorry guys. Get this put on there. Make sure you get a steel gasket. Some of them are paper. You want the steel. So we'll get this lined up here. If I can get it lined up. We'll get this lined up and we'll get some bolts in it. Alright guys, I got it on there, torque 20 foot-pounds, good to go. So we'll move on to the next step and get that valve body put on over here, and then maybe we can move on, get our filter put on, put the pan on, and all that good stuff. So alright guys, that's where we're at. So let's move on to the next step and get this thing put together. Alright guys, we're torquing the valve body on. Some are 1/2 inch, some are 7/16. It's kind of a pain in the ass to keep switching them, but you just gotta do. Click. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. Click. And if we reach over here, put her in park, you'll see the detank click in once I move it a little bit. Here, right there, that locks the trains in park. It won't go nowhere. Take it out of park. That would be reverse. And it releases, and now we can go around all we want. Whee! So there we go, fellas. Now it's time to put our extension housing on. It's over there. See that guy sitting there, that crusty, dirty looking thing? It needs to be cleaned up. Well, I gotta scrub and get that as clean as I can. And then we can slap it on. That guy right there. So once we get it all together, we're gonna paint it. Probably just black. Just make it look a little better. But yeah. There's the transparent solenoid ready to go. I did have to modify. This is a Summit cast aluminum pan. And I did have to modify. And this setup, this was hitting the bell housing. It wouldn't allow, you know, you to get this bolted up. I gotta take this back off and do a little more. Because it's I got a little gap here on this side where it can't pull it down because it's touching right here. So I'm gonna have to pull this pan back off for a second. Grind in between these lines a little bit, take a little material off, a little bit on this side as well. They sent these bolts with the kit. They're like a fucking 8mm 12 point. I mean, who the fuck? Just give me a regular fucking bolt. And somehow I lost. They either didn't send all of them or I lost them. When I was opening it, the shit fucking flew everywhere. I don't know what the fuck happened. So I got two oddball bolts there. So yeah, what can you do? I guess, you know, whatever. It's gonna be another car. No one's gonna see it. And I don't know what the hell I did with the damn plug. I swear I said it right there. It's been a long fucking day. I've been out here for a lot of hours. And I don't know what the hell I did with it, guys. I hope I come across it. I don't want to have to go fucking buy another one. Jesus Christ. I need to call it a day, but we got so much fucking work to do in this car. We got the cage sitting there. The heads are still at the fucking machine shop jail. The engine's sitting over there just fucking waiting. But what can you do? Hopefully we'll get the heads back soon and we'll have the training done and we'll slap the heads on the motor. Sit that shit in the car. We just got our shifter today. It was a B&M gate shifter, basically. I can't remember the name. But it's a pretty nice shifter. We got that today. The only thing left that we need to get this thing going down the track is we still gotta get a converter. That's a big thing. And once we get it all put in the car, we gotta obviously measure for a drive shaft. So we have to get a drive shaft made. But other than that, I think we got most of the major shit. We might have to get a little stuff here and there, but I don't know. I might call it a day, or I might clean up that extension housing and get that ready to go. But it's about 5 a.m. right now, and I'm tired. But like I said, a bunch to do, so you know, I guess you gotta fight through it. But I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that governor cover before I forget about it and have a fucking massive leak. And we put it in the car. So yeah, we'll go ahead and tighten that bad boy up, and I'll be back with you shortly. All right, fellas. There she is in all her glory. Let me get this wiped off of there. Grab my towel here. Get a little towel to wipe my finger off with and get this excess stuff out of there. I just put a little there. Just stuck the gasket to the transmission, and then put the gasket down and all that good mumbo jumbo. But she's there. At this point, I gotta tape up a few things, and then we're gonna paint the whole thing. Probably just paint it black, make it look a little better. I still got some crusty mud and whatever I still gotta get off. It's pretty hard stuff, but we'll chip it off of there. Plug up holes that we don't want paint to go into, and she's a ready done deal. Like I said, I still gotta do the modification on this pan, but that won't take but a couple minutes. So, but I broke my socket. This oddball shit here, 8mm 12 point. I had one and I broke it. Which is unlucky, so I got to run uptown tomorrow, or actually later in a couple hours it'll be open, and get another socket, get it replaced. So that's about where we're at. I'm gonna call it a day. We got quite a bit of stuff done, so that's good. And like I said, we're waiting on our damn heads. Hopefully he'll get finished with that pretty quick, because I'm about ready to be able to slap the motor together and get the car put back in here and get the motor and trans set up in there. Get rid of this pile of mumbo jumbo, taking up all kinds of room. When you set up a workbench, man, that just gives you free reign to just stack all kinds of shit on it. And man, does it quick. It'll take but a couple of days, it seems like, and you'll have the whole damn table. I think this is a 4 foot by 8 foot sheet of OSB, and it's this fucking packed. So, but what can you do? You got a lot of shit everywhere, and you gotta put it somewhere. So, but all right, guys, that's what we're doing. That's where we're at, and we'll catch you on the next one. I'll try to get some video of the actual work and shit this coming video, but it's tough because I'm doing it by myself, and you get in a rhythm, and you just start knocking shit out, and then before you know it, you got a fucking trans built here, and you ain't made one fucking video, showing it or whatever. But it is what it is. So, all right, guys, I appreciate it. If you like mod motor, anything to do with mod motors, whether it's a Coyote or a 4654 mod motor, hey, that's what this channel's all about. So go ahead and slap that subscribe button and like button. Comment below if you got a project going. It's cool to talk to guys that got similar projects going, and like I said, I appreciate it, guys. If you want to subscribe, it's cool. So yeah, all right, guys, I'm out of here. I will catch you on the next one, and we'll be making some progress putting the motor back together and sitting it in the car. So stay tuned, guys. We'll see you.